Great day for flying today. No wind, calm condition, relatively quiet park. We have a tall tree here. We cannot climb that much. I mean, this drone is definitely a 1S drone for indoor. But we got our radio set up. We got the Mobula 6 HD, so nice footage. Let's give it a shot. There we go. So, let me take the tree. Ah, nice, very nice. And I can fly off even from my tools because it's a small drone. So, all right, we are ACRO mode. Let me set it to angle mode. Oh, there we go, there we go. This drone is really a nice tree explorer, you know. Tiny, propeller guards. I mean, it handles. I mean, it's not that bad, but... Oh, we got visits. Okay, let's push it a bit. As you see, there's a bit of wobbling when it comes down, but nothing too severe. Let's go up, let's go up. Eee. Okay, definitely. No way you can make a dive with this drone. Here's the pilot, we have the camera woman. 1 minute 30 in the air. It's handling fine. We got still 3.3 volts. Right there. 3.25. Can make a fast segment here. 3.2 volts. Time to head back a bit. A bit of jello there, but we are running out of battery. So nice fly, was smooth, not bad. Very nice battery. This battery is here, the TBS graphene, 340 milliamp hour. 1S battery for tiny whoops, high quality. I mean, TBS, you cannot go wrong, so I can kind of recommend them, you know.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Yeah, welcome there. Boys, we're ready to fly. It's a long time I've been waiting. It's been raining so much lately. Finally, I have a chance to fly for real, outdoor, ACRO style.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave you sight. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond